Are you looking for the best chicken plucker machines in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best chicken plucker machines that are available on the market. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, quality, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Number 5. VEVOR Chicken Poultry Plucker. For efficient plucking of poultry, here is a powerful and reliable machine you may consider. The machine has a high power rating of 20W to deliver a higher speed of 240 RMN to handle more plucking tasks. Besides this, it has a large volume that accommodates 4-6 chickens at once or up to 12 quail at a time. Because of this, you will get it an awesome piece for commercial purposes. Moreover, this product is great for plucking bantam chickens, turkeys, chickens, guinea fowl, and more. Still, the product is crafted from premium quality 403 stainless steel material to withstand prolonged use and safety. This product is simple and easy to use since you just need to grab the garden hose then switch on the plucker. At number 4, SuperHandy Chicken Plucker. In case you need the ideal machine for faster defeathering of poultry, this product from SuperHandy is a nice selection to try out. The machine has a large fluid capacity of 45 Oz that suits it for smaller to bigger poultry. Secondly, the unit is equipped with a powerful 1 HP 800W motor with a high speed of 280 RPM to deliver efficient speed and performance. That said, it has a unique advanced design, making it a breeze to operate when plucking. Still, the product has 2 rolling wheels for simple maneuverability on every surface. Again, it has been crafted from premium quality 403 brushed stainless steel material for prolonged use and better protection from rust. At number 3, Chicken Plucker D. The Chicken Plucker has a sanitary 403 brushed stainless steel construction, which makes it ideal for food processing. The material also makes it durable to serve you for long and robust enough to handle the whole process. It comes with 92 soft fingers that facilitate a safe plucking without hurting the skin. The plucker is capable of plucking 2-4 birds at a time, where each bird takes an approximate time of 15-30 seconds, and it therefore makes your work easy and efficient. It is easy to move the chicken plucker machine with the 2 wheels, and a third one is inclusive to offer maximum stability during the process. At number 2, Yardbird 21-833 Chicken Plucker. You can use different types of birds with this chicken plucker machine, including ducks, waterfowl, geese, among others. It comes with a powerful motor 300 RPM speed, which enables you to pluck the bird in less than 15 seconds. It further has a diameter of 20 inches, which is sufficient for a large bird to fit in or multiple small birds. The plucker comes with 110 plucking fingers that operate gently, not to hurt the skin. It comes with an overcurrent protector and GFCI, which enhances safety during the operation. It is easy and convenient to move the plucker machine, as it comes with 2 rubber wheels that have ball bearings with an additional leg to ensure stability while in use. At number 1, CKNPLKR Chicken Plucker. The Chicken Plucker machine is both durable and robust with stainless steel construction, which enables it to serve you for long and helps you entirely right. It is lightweight, measuring 50 pounds, and is thus easy to carry around for higher convenience. It comes with 2 wheels each 5 inches, which makes the movement effortless and thus eases the plucking task. An 8/8 mm food-grade drum makes it very useful. The chicken plucking machine is ideal for domestic use, and it uses 120V 550-watt power. It supports up to 8 pounds, which is equivalent to 1 large bird or multiple birds, which are small in size, making it appropriate for the smaller birds. It comes with 2 inches rubber fingers, which adds to a total of 114, which plucks the feathers without damaging the skin. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.